Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to the science lecture. In the previous lectures, we have completed the lessons simple machines. Today, we are going to write the notes. What you have to do? You have to take the workbook and write the notes directly. Understood? Question number 1. Classify the following as a lever, a pulley, and an inclined plane. A set of words are given here. You have to classify them as lever, pulley, and inclined plane. Understood? Answers are given directly here. Simple machines, an inclined plane, wheel and axle, wedge, a needle, wedge, lever, complex machine. Right? You have to classify the words here. Simple machines, a lever, a pulley, an inclined plane, a wedge. An inclined plane, a slide and a staircase. Wheel and axle, the wheel of a flagpole. Wedge, a needle, an axe and a knife. Lever, nutcrackers, scissors and opener. Complex machine, a crane. See here once again, words are given and you have to classify them. What are the words given here? A wedge, needle, staircase, a slide. Things are given. See, slide, the wheel of a flagpole, nutcracker, scissors, an opener, an axe, crane, a knife. We have already classified here. Answers are given directly. So, copy down the answers in the workbook. Now, question number 2. Fill in the blanks using the proper word and complete the statement. First, all the 5 questions are given and then answer. See, first question is the dash in the center, the dash on the side and the dash on the other side make a lever of the first order. What is the answer? The fulcrum, load and effort. Answers are given at the bottom. See. Did you understand? This is the answer. You have to copy down the answer. Second one, second, third, fourth and fifth answers are in the next slide. Okay? The dash in the second question, the dash in the center, the dash on one side and the dash on the other side make a lever of second order. What is the answer? I'll show you, even though I'll tell you the answers now. The load in the center, the fulcrum on one side, the effort on the other side make a lever of the second order. What is the third question? The dash in the center, the dash on one side and the dash on the other side make a lever of the third order. The effort in the center, load on one side and the fulcrum on the other side make a lever of third order. Right? The fourth one, the structure of a complex machine is complicated. Why it is called complex machine? That is complicated, so it is called complex machine. And fifth one, machines should be dashed properly to keep them in good working condition. What we have to do? We have to maintain. Barabar hai na? Machines should be maintained properly to keep them in good working condition. I have told the answer now, but in the next slide it is written. See, answers are given here directly. Take screenshot, otherwise you pass the video and write the answers directly in the workbook. Understood? Shall we move on to the next one? Third question. Which machines will you use to do the following work? Write their types. See, what is the 7 questions are here. 7 name of the machines are given here. To remove the lid of a tin, what we have to use to remove the lid of a tin? To second one, to lift bricks to the top of a tall building. What we have to use to lift the bricks, that you have to write. Third one, to cut vegetables. What we use to cut the vegetables? Fourth one, to draw water from a well. What we do to draw water from a well? We use a pulley, right? Fifth one, to hold a papad for roasting it. Tongs, right? Tongs, pakkad use karte, barabar hai na? Sixth one, to load a drum on a truck. To load a drum on a truck, what we use? An inclined plane, right? First example we studied in this lesson. 7. Trimming the nails. What we use to trim our nails? Nail cutters. See here, work, machine, type of a machine given here. Work, to remove the lid of a tin. That is the work. What we are going to do? We are going to remove the lid of a tin. Which machine is used to remove? Can opener. Opener. What is the type of that machine? Inclined plane. Screw. And then to lift bricks to the top of a tall building. What is the machine used to lift? A wheel and a rope to pick up the heavy load. That is a, what is the type of that machine? That is a pulley. And then next work, to cut vegetables. Knife or cutter. That is wedge. And to draw water from a well. Which machine is used? Water wheel or rope to draw the water from a well. That is a pulley. The next one, to hold a papad for roasting it. पापड़ रोस्ट करने के लिए क्या करते हैं? पकड़ से पकड़ते हैं. That is a pair of tongs and that is a lever. And to load a drum on a truck. What we use to load the drum? A plank, inclined plane. That is, which type of machine that is? Plank, inclined plane. Trimming the nails. Nail cutter. We use nail cutter to trim our nails. That is, which type of machine that is? Lever. Understood? Like that you have to understand the answer before writing. Then you write the answers. Next question. Question number 4. Write the answers to the following questions in your own words. What is meant by simple machines? Devices which are used. Already I have explained while teaching this lesson. Device which are used for day-to-day work to perform the work efficiently in less time and with less effort are called simple machines. That first of all, that is called machines. Simple machines mean it is very easy to handle and it makes our work easy. The machines that have only one or two parts and have simple and easy structure are called simple machines. What is called a simple machine? Which is called a simple machine? The machines that have only one or two parts and have simple and easy structure are called simple machines. Mention the advantages of using a machine. That is, what is the use of machine? Mention the advantage. If machine is used, we can finish the work in less time and with less effort. If machines are not used, we require more time and more effort to complete even the simple task. Then we'll move on to the next question. Question number 3. What is meant by complex machines? The machines in which many parts are joined with each other are called complex machines. Different processes take place in these individual parts. The structure of such machines is complicated. When a complex machine is made, it may connect two or more simple machines in it. Did you understand what is complex machine? Already I have explained you. What is a lever? How are the orders of the lever determined? A lever is simple machine having three components. What are they? Fulcrum, load and effort. First order, the support at which the rod of a lever rests is called a fulcrum. And then second, the rotation of a lever takes place around a fulcrum. The third one, the weight lifted by a lever is called a load. The load arm is the arm from the fulcrum to the load. Load arm we have studied already. If you have doubt, note it down and ask me in the online lectures. Understood? From February 1st onwards, we are going to conduct one online lecture. Only one day we are going to conduct online lecture. In that lecture, you can ask your doubts. Understood? Note the doubts. Note it down in the notebook and you can ask us. You can ask the particular teacher. Understood? What you have to do? You have to write all the question answers in the workbook and write one time in the notebook. Send me as homework. Okay? By heart the question answers. You will be having your exams. Okay? We'll meet in the next lecture with remaining questions and answer. Till then, what you have to do? You have to write the question answers, by heart the question answers, write in the workbook and write in the notebook, take photo and send me, mail me as your homework. Understood? Bye.